Oh, all right, here we are. It looks like I've got a little Kime paint on my nose. It's not really paint, I don't know what it is. It's fascinating. Anyway, there she is, pretty much restored. Well, I've gone around that way, the glare. Look at that. Like really, really happy. The hole in her head is fixed. So, you know, this lady tried to do something kind of awful, and the community is really rallied around this sculpture, which is wonderful. And now she's restored. We'll see how this coating holds up, see if it keeps some of the rust from coming through. It's a great learning process, and I'm exhausted, so can't wait to go home and take a shower. All right.